Hello everyone, I am Shomi and welcome back to my channel. Now the situation everywhere is really not favorable. For last few weeks, skincare or makeup has literally taken a backseat. Actually no time or mood for all this. Now my skin is becoming dull, dry, and I can see my skin is damaged and I feel that it needs a good care or repair. Today I am going to try this O3 facial kit. I am trying it for the first time. Now O3 is a renowned name when we think of facial, so hoping that till some extent it can repair the damage and restore my skin condition. O3 Plus Professional Bridal Facial Kit. This is for radiant and glowing skin. This is a single use pack. The facial has 10 steps, yes, a bit lengthy process. Step-wise product details are listed beautifully with all ingredients listed for each product. Shelf life is 36 months, which is quite long time. This kit is priced at Rs 750 for single use. Please remember to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon with option all for all new videos. Please like, comment and share the video. Individual packs are tied neatly together. This is the instruction booklet. How to use every product is clearly described stepwise. One can easily follow. The first packet contains all the following products: whitening cleansing foam, detan pack, whitening tonic, whitening massage cream, whitening serum, Arbutin serum, whitening cream, SPF 30. Next is gel for facial power mask, then Arbutin powder mask and powder for facial power mask. Product names and expiry dates etc. are clearly written on each pack. Step 1. Clean with whitening cleansing foam. Quantity is more than enough for single use. This cleansing foam is very creamy. There is no need to add water, or you may add a little water if required. It contains shea butter, aloe vera leaf juice, cucumber fruit extract and many more. Cleanse for a good 2 to 3 minutes, covering the whole face and neck area. I think I am almost done. Now I am going to wipe it off with a damp tissue. I think I got a good clean. I am feeling fresh now. Step 2. Detan pack. It has peppermint oil, clove flower oil, camphor bark oil, vitamin C and many more. That's why it has a very nice pleasant smell. Apply evenly all over the face and neck. You may feel a little burning sensation, but it will subside after a while. Now you have to leave it for 10 minutes. Facial will give you more benefit when you are calm and relaxed. So it's time to play some music and read a good book. So this is one of the books I like to read. This book is written by my friend Namita Das. It's a collection of stories of an urban couple. It's a hilarious book, a great relaxation. You guys may try it out too. It's available on Amazon. I'll put the link in description box below for you. My pack is completely dry. Now I'll take few drops of water, massage lightly and wipe it off. Step 3. Whitening tonic. You can see a breaking line, follow the line to break it. Tonic is watery, it has sodium lactate, glycerin, glycolic acid, aloe vera leaf juice, cucumber and more. Apply the whitening tonic and massage using a tapping movement all over the face till it is absorbed. You may feel little sticky. No need to wipe it off. Step 4. Whitening massage cream. There is a good amount of cream. You may use it twice, but I would recommend to use the whole cream to get a better result. Quantity still left. I'll apply after first application. Apply whitening massage cream and massage for a good 10 to 15 minutes in relaxing and upward strokes. While massaging, the cream is converted to oil-like texture, very easy to massage. This cream has light liquid paraffin, shea butter, sweet almond oil, cucumber fruit extract, orange peel extract, aloe vera leaf extract and many more. So I think first application is done. It's time for second application of the cream. Few more strokes. See, this much of cream was left. We'll follow the same way to massage again. So if you like my video and it is helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon with option all for all new videos. Please like, comment and share the video. Finishing off the massage with light finger tapping. I am not going to completely wipe it off, I'll just remove excess cream. Step 5. Whitening serum. Apply whitening serum and massage for 2 to 3 minutes. It has gel-like consistency, will be completely absorbed and dry. My eyes got red. I think cream has entered inside my eyes. I'll just wash it off with some clean water. Step 6 and 7. Facial Power Mask Gel and Facial Power Mask Powder 2030. This powder has cornstarch, algin, hydrolyzed collagen, calcium sulfate, disodium sulfate. This power mask gel has aqua, glycerin, aloe vera juice extract, tomato extract, sodium alginate, cucumber fruit extract and more. Start mixing powder and gel simultaneously. The key of this type of so-called collagen rubber mask is mix quickly and apply quickly. So this will be the consistency. You may feel burning eyes and watery nose if applied by self. I need a mirror to apply. It was quite late while I was applying on my neck, so I was not able to apply it properly. It was already dried. So I want to again remind you, mix quickly and apply quickly. Now I'll leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now it is completely dried. This mask gives me very cooling effect. Not at all painful to remove this mask. My skin is super cool now. Step 8. Arbutin Serum. Arbutin is extracted from bearberry plant and prevents the formation of melanin. This serum contains aqua, sodium lactate, glycerin, sodium PCA, arbutin and more. Please remember to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon with option all for all new videos. Please like, comment and share the video. No need to wipe it off. Step 9. Arbutin powder. It has hydrolyzed collagen, cornstarch, menthol, calcium sulfate and more. Mix the arbutin powder with water in 1:2 ratio to form a paste and apply all over the face. Leave undisturbed for 15 to 20 minutes and peel off. I have applied it off camera. It has also a very cooling effect. It has not a very pleasant smell. It is completely dried now, or I can say I forgot and it's now over dried. Clean it off with a damp tissue. Step 10 or the last step is whitening cream SPF 30. Finish it off with the protective layer of O3 plus SPF 30 to protect the facial for a longer time. So this was the process. I am feeling really good after this 10-step facial, though the facial was really lengthy, but hope it will give me a good long-lasting result. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it will be helpful for you also. See you soon in my next video.